Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to recover deleted WhatsApp photos. So to recover deleted WhatsApp photos, you can try restoring from the Google Drive backup and then check your phone's photo gallery and or using data recovery software. So to restore go from Google Drive backup, remove the app from your device like your WhatsApp application, uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp app, and then re-verify your phone number during the step setup process. And when prompted, just choose to restore your chat history and media from Google Drive backup. And then check your phone's gallery. If you're using Android, you can just open the gallery app and look for a WhatsApp media folder. Like in files section, you can find your WhatsApp media folder in the Android section and go to the media and then find WhatsApp and then check on your WhatsApp media. And you can also use any data recovery software like ULT data, WhatsApp recovery, and any recover data recovery, these two. So yeah, these are the ways you can recover your deleted WhatsApp photos. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.